Windows 11 hidden features that you must know. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, let us discuss on 5 search features of the Windows 11 that is a must. The first one is second start menu. So if you press Windows plus X on your Windows 11, then it will pop up a new interface where you have all the essential features. You can directly dive into your mobility center, power options, task manager, device manager, and whatnot. And as conveniently with the shortcut of Windows plus X, you can open it. Similarly, moving to the second special features is storage cleanup. For that, you have to right click on the start button, go to settings, and under system storage, you will see the graphical representation of all your required storage as well as the temporary files which can be cleaned up. Additionally, under the storage management, you have the option of cleanup recommendation. If you tap on it, you can see all the files that you can clean up. Similarly, for the third special feature, we have advanced touch gestures. If you want to see these touchpad gestures, you have to right click on your settings and go to device and Bluetooth. Hereby, you have to tap on touchpad, and here are the interactions that you can change. The options are cursor speed, 3-finger gestures, 4-finger gestures, and whatnot. Similarly, for the fourth feature, we have focus mode. For this feature, you have to open your clock app. Once you have opened it, you have focus sessions. This way, you can turn off all the notification and app alerts during each of these focus sessions. And this way, you can stay focused on your job or task. Now, for today's video, the last feature is special sound. For this, you have to right click on the settings and then go to the system. After that, tap on the sound option. Click on speaker, and if you scroll down a bit, we have the special sound. You just have to activate it or click on Windows Sonic for headphones. And as simply, you have access to the special sounds as well as the intense audios. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to stay tuned and like and subscribe our video.